Today I'm going to install the Suparee LED third brake light onto my vehicle. So it seems very simple and straightforward. Take the spare tire off, mount this, put the spare tire back on, and then hook everything up to the tail lights through the on the right side through the tailgate. So let's go check it out and see if it's as easy as 1, 2, hopefully 3. All right, so I'm about to take the tire off, but I wanted to check everything else out before I just got into that mess. So it's simple. I have to take the cover off here, and then I unhook here, plug the harness in, and like piggy tail it, and put this back on, and it should work. So I'm gonna time it and see, but I'm hoping that within 7 minutes I'll have this taken care of. So let's see. Alright, so we are about 3 minutes in. I just hooked everything up. I tested it. It works. It's very simple. All you had to do was undo that connector right there, plug in that part that fits into that harness, and then connect the other two, and you're good to go. So I'm going to put the tire back on, and we should be good to go. So hopefully in about 5 minutes we'll be all set. Alright, so not bad. I got it done in about 6 minutes and 12 seconds. And some tips for you. 1, bring something sharp to cut a little slit into the gasket so that you can feed the wires through. Undo them at the connection, and then just slide the thinner parts through, the male ends through the end. When you are taking your tire and putting it back on, be careful because it's plastic, so you don't want to crack it. Just go till it gets a little tight, and then just keep rotating around till all the lug nuts are tight. So that's pretty generic stuff right there. Other than that, super simple. It's probably other than the cup holder I put in, or the center console container I put in, it's probably the easiest upgrade I've done, and it'll have probably the biggest impact because drivers in San Antonio suck. So the more red that they can see, less chance of me getting